In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in ClickUp. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform designed to help you stay organized and collaborate effectively with your team. Whether you're managing tasks, projects, or workflows, folders play a key role in keeping everything structured and easy to find. If you're new to organizing your spaces in ClickUp or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of creating folders quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your internet browser and head over to www.clickup.com once you're on the homepage. Log into your ClickUp account using your preferred method, whether that's with your email address or a connected provider like Google. If ClickUp prompts you to verify your credentials, follow the on-screen instructions to complete any additional authentication steps necessary. This ensures your account is secure and ready to use. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the ClickUp home interface. Look to the left side of your screen and locate the sidebar. This is your navigation hub within ClickUp. If the sidebar appears collapsed, simply expand it by clicking the small arrow or handle so you can clearly see the names of your spaces. Next, identify the specific space where you want to create your new folder. Spaces in ClickUp are essentially the top-level categories for organizing your work. So, choose the one that makes the most sense for your folder. Hover your mouse cursor over the name of the space, and you'll notice a small plus icon appear next to it. Click on that plus icon, and a menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, select Folder. This will open a window where you can customize the new folder you're about to create. Now, it's time to give your folder a name. Choose a name that aligns with your team's naming conventions or one that clearly reflects the folder's purpose. This helps everyone on your team understand what kind of tasks or projects will live inside the folder. If there's an option to add a brief description, take a moment to fill that in as well. A short explanation of the folder's purpose can go a long way in maintaining clarity and organization. When everything looks good, click the Create button to finalize the setup. That's it. Your new folder will now appear under the space you selected. To double-check, take a look at the left sidebar again and confirm that your folder is listed in the correct space. If you ever need to make adjustments, don't worry. Folders in ClickUp can be renamed or reordered at any time to better suit your needs. If you're new to ClickUp, you'll find a sign-up link in the description below to get started with your own account. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to create folders in ClickUp to keep your workspace organized. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.